Hebei Hanshan New Decoration Material Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of PVC flooring and SPC flooring. The production base located in historical county of Zhengding, Hebei, China, with convenient transportation access. Hanshan adopting Belgian technologies, importing Germany original production equipment, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained Floorscore Certificate. Our products can easily accept by all kinds of commercial, office, medical, school and residential area. It can meet their individual requirements. Also, you can enjoy the fun of DIY installation. We also welcome OEM and ODM models. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Constant innovation and development is our core value. To provide safe, environmental protection and professional SPC flooring is our constant goal. We will insist on our business concept. Follow the market need. We are looking forward to establishing long-term business relationship with worldwide customers in the near future based on mutual benefits. If you are interested in our products or our company, please feel free to contact us for friendly cooperation.
Bye.